Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are very fine at home. Students, this video of block 7 of unit 4 class 5 science. In this video, this is part 3. In this video, we will discuss about how to take care of joints. Students, in previous video, we have discussed about type of joints and function of joints. As we know that there are mainly two types of joints, movable and immovable. And immovable joints and movable joints we have discussed in earlier session. So children, how we will take care of our joints? So first I would like ask some questions to you. Have you heard of people complaining of knee pain, joint pain in fingers or toes, sprains? Why do our joints pain? So what do you think about this? Children, do you know that if we have any injury in our joints, then how we will come to know that we have injured or not? We got pain. Sometimes the joint do not work properly. It can happen if people do not do enough exercise. Joints stop working the way they are supposed to work if we do not use them for a long period of time or if we overuse them, isn't it? It can also happen as we get older or we overstretch our joints. So children, this is very important to know about how we can take care of our joint. So this is given in this chapter, taking care of joints. Some disorders develop in the joints as we grow older. What kind of disorder? I will show you. In over this picture you can see children that in the healthy knee the joints is placed between the two bones. Over here, look at this picture. It acts as a cushion between them. The knee can easily bend. In the knee with pain, the bones touch each other. Here in this picture you can see these two knees bones are touching to each other. When the knee bends, the bones touch each other and the friction between them cause pain. So this type of knee is affected with the arthritis problem. So children, we come to know about the common disorders as arthritis. Here some are given to you as a sprain occurs when we extend a joint, either by twisting or bending it further. So children, sprain can occur. You will see in the picture. Over here in this picture you can see that this is the sprain occurred in the leg. It is the part of leg. So here this is the kind of sprain, and this is definitely this is a disorder. Arthritis occurs when joints swell and make it difficult to move the limbs. This usually occurs in the elderly people. Swelling also occurs when a joint is used too much. Tennis and cricket players suffer from tennis elbow or swelling of the elbow. So this is the common problem for the cricket and tennis players. Stiffness occurs when the joints are not used for a long time, and this also a disorder in our joints. Over here in this picture you can see that this is also kind of disorder in our bones and the fingers. Those are not having proper shapes. They got D-shaped, not maintaining proper shape. In this, the cushion structure, this is the cushion structure between two bones, and in this picture cartilage that is lost. And if it is lost, then these bones will rub with each other and joint space narrowing. So children, we come to know about joints disorder. These are sprain, stiffness, tennis elbow, drying of fluid, and arthritis. So children, these all was disorder in our bones, but we have to know about how can we take care of these disorders. So many people have their knee operated because their knee joints do not work well anymore. There are several ways to take care of joints and prevent disorders. So what are those? Exercise regularly. We should do exercise regularly so that our joints can move and becomes flexible. Eat a balanced diet. So children, we should eat balanced diet so we we will be healthy and we can get our joints healthy. This is the balanced diet in which all the nutrients are present in appropriate amount. Maintain a proper body weight. We should maintain a proper body weight and do not overuse a joint. These all are basically prevention of our joints pain or any other problem like disorder in the joints. So children, these all things we should maintain and we should follow in our daily routine life so that we can take care of our joints. So now we will do our worksheet. Now you all students are able to do your worksheet by your own, and here answers are given to you. You can check your answers with this. How does a doctor know if a knee is healthy? By looking at an X-ray. So the answer is the doctor knows that there should be a proper gap between the bones in a healthy knee. If the gap is not proper, or if the bones are touching each other, or if the ends of the bones are swollen, then the doctor knows that there is some problem in the knee. Question number 2. Why do some people have knee pain? What are some other disorders of the joints? Some people have knee pain because of the following reasons. The knee joint may have dried up. There may be swelling in the joint due to overuse or old age. The joint may have become inactive due to underuse. The joint may have got stretched beyond its limit. Some other disorders of joint are arthritis, sprain, stiffness, and tennis elbow. Question number 3. Why are sports persons advised to wear elbow and knee bands? Sports persons wear elbow and knee bands to provide support to their joints. The joints may swell or get sprained due to rapid movement. Question number 4. How does the fluid in joints help them move? What can we do to keep our joints lubricated? The fluid in the joints acts as a cushion between the bones and reduces friction between them. We should eat a balanced diet. The fats in our diet help to lubricate the joints. So, children, to reduce friction, we often use oil to lubricate the surface in contact. In machinery parts and fans and other machines. Similarly, the oil or fats in our body lubricate the joints and help to reduce friction between the bones when they touch each other while we move our body parts. So, children, I hope this session will be helpful for you and you will follow all the examples to take care of our joints in your daily routine life. Okay, we will meet in the next session with new block 8. Till then, bye bye. Take care.